Welcome back to the podcast where we learn real English that you can actually use every day.
And today, we're talking about a topic that every English learner should know: 3 mistakes non-native speakers often make.
Yes, even advanced learners sometimes make small errors that make sentences sound unnatural.
Don't worry, we'll explain each mistake, give you examples, and show you exactly how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Using very too much. The first mistake is using very too often.
Ah, yes. Many learners say things like, I am very happy. That's very good. This food is very delicious.
It's grammatically correct, but native speakers often choose stronger adjectives instead of just adding very.
Exactly. For example, instead of very happy, you can say delighted. Instead of very good, try excellent or fantastic. Very delicious can simply be scrumptious or delicious. Very isn't necessary.
Using stronger words makes your English sound more confident and natural rather than repetitive. Many practice.
Let's practice a couple of examples. I'll say the sentence first, and you can repeat it using a better word.
Sentence 1. Your English is very good.
Better. Your English is excellent.
Sentence 2. The movie was very interesting.
Better. The movie was fascinating.
See? Small changes, big difference. Mistake 2. Using the incorrectly.
The second mistake is a tricky one, using the article the incorrectly.
Yes, many learners say things like, I went to the school. I like the music.
Sometimes the is correct, but sometimes you should leave it out.
Exactly. For example, I went to school. No the if you mean school in general. I like the music in this movie. The is correct because you're talking about specific music.
Tip: if it's general, skip the. If it's specific, use the.
Let's try a few more examples. I go to the work every day. To, I go to work every day. I like the apples, referring to some apples on the table. Correct.
Little changes like this make your English sound native and fluent.
Many practice conversation.
Let's do a short conversation. Practice after us. Friend: where do you work?
You, I work in a bank. No the because it's general.
Friend: do you like the bank you work at?
Correct, because now we're talking about a specific bank.
See how articles work in context? It's not just a rule, it's how English naturally flows.
Mistake 3. Literal translations.
Yes, this is very common. People might say, I have 25 years, instead of I am 25 years old.
I am agree, instead of I agree. He has hunger, instead of he is hungry.
These are correct word for word, but they don't match natural English patterns.
Tip: learn phrases as complete units, not word by word.
For example, I am 25 years old. I agree. He is hungry.
Simple changes, but your English sounds much more fluent and native-like. Many practice.
Let's try some practice together. Repeat after me. Wrong, I have hunger. Correct, I am hungry. Wrong, I am agree with you. Correct, I agree with you. Wrong, I have 20 years. Correct, I am 20 years old.
Notice how small changes make a huge difference in naturalness and clarity. Outro or wrap-up. So to recap, the 3 common mistakes non-native speakers make are overusing very, misusing the, and literal translations.
Fixing these mistakes will make your English sound more natural, confident, and fluent.
Keep practicing, listen carefully to native speakers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're your best teachers.
Next episode, we'll cover 3 more mistakes non-native speakers make, plus tips to sound even more fluent.
Welcome back. If you listened to part 1, we covered 3 big mistakes: overusing very, misusing the, and literal translations.
Yes, and now we're going to dig deeper and practice more examples, so you can fix these mistakes in real conversations.
Additional examples for mistake 1, using very too much. Let's practice stronger alternatives to very plus adjective.
Okay, here's one. Original, this exam was very difficult. Better, this exam was challenging.
Or, the movie was very interesting. Better, the movie was fascinating.
And one more fun example. The pizza is very good. Better, the pizza is delicious.
See how replacing very plus adjective with a stronger word makes your sentence sound natural and native-like? Additional examples for mistake 2, using the incorrectly.
Next, let's practice the tricky article the.
Yes, example 1, wrong, I go to the church every Sunday. Correct, I go to church every Sunday. General meaning.
Example 2, I like the dogs. General. Correct, I like dogs.
But if you mean specific things, the is correct. I love the dogs at my neighbor's house.
Exactly. Context is everything when it comes to the.
Additional examples for mistake 3, literal translations.
Now, let's practice correcting literal translations.
Here's a common one. Wrong, I am agree with you. Correct, I agree with you.
Another, he has hunger. Correct, he is hungry.
And one more, I have cold. Correct, I have a cold.
See how small adjustments can completely fix the sentence?
Mini practice conversation.
Let's do a short conversation. Repeat after us. Friend, where do you work?
You, I work in a bank. No the because it's general.
Friend, do you like the bank you work at?
Correct, because now we're talking about a specific bank.
See how articles work in context? It's not just a rule, it's how English naturally flows.
Tips to avoid these mistakes. Here are 3 simple tips. Stop overusing very. Learn stronger adjectives instead. Pay attention to the. Ask yourself, is this general or specific? Avoid literal translations. Learn phrases as complete units.
And here's a bonus tip. Listen to native speakers on YouTube, podcasts, or movies, and notice how they naturally express themselves.
Even short daily exposure makes a huge difference. So today, we expanded on our first 3 mistakes, gave more examples, and practiced short conversations.
Remember, overusing very, misusing the, and literal translations are very common, but with a little attention and practice, you can correct them easily.
Keep practicing these sentences out loud and try using them in your conversations tomorrow.
Next time, we'll cover 3 more mistakes non-native speakers make, plus tips to sound even more fluent.
Thanks for listening, and remember, small changes make your English sound natural, confident, and native-like.
See you next time.